In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Google Sheets. Google Sheets doesn't include a built-in watermark tool, but you can create the same effect using an image placed on top of your sheet. This approach works well for logos, brand marks, or subtle labels like draft or confidential, and it's quick to set up. Start by opening your spreadsheet and heading to the Insert menu at the top. From there, choose Image, then select Image over Cells. This option places a floating image on the sheet that you can freely move and resize without being confined to a single cell. It's the key to making a watermark-like overlay in Sheets. Next, upload or select your watermark image. You can bring in a file from your computer or pick one from your Google Drive if you've stored it there. For the best results, use a simple image with plenty of transparency, like a light grey logo or text saved as a PNG. High contrast images can be distracting, so softer tones tend to look more professional and keep your data readable. Once the image appears on your sheet, adjust its size by dragging the corner handles so it scales proportionally and doesn't become distorted. Place it where it supports your content rather than hides it, commonly centered, faint, and large enough to be visible without dominating the page. Because this image sits over the cells, think of behind your content as a visual goal. Position it so it feels in the background while your data stays easy to read. If the watermark looks too strong, you can make it subtler so your text and numbers remain front and center. A light, semi-transparent look is ideal for most spreadsheets. Also, be mindful that a floating image can overlap cells you might want to click. If that happens, simply move the image slightly aside while you work, then reposition it when you're done. You can nudge it precisely with your arrow keys for fine-tuning. That's all there is to it. By inserting an image over cells, choosing a subtle graphic, and resizing and positioning it thoughtfully, you can create a clean, professional watermark effect in Google Sheets. Save your file, and your watermark will stay with the sheet, ready for viewing and sharing.